Alright, hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So as you can see, this is the second episode about modal verbs, okay, modal verbs. So in the previous one, in the last episode, we talked about modal verbs in general and some rules related to this kind of verbs. Today, in this episode, we are going to go deeper and see some examples of these modal verbs with functions, okay, with their functions, okay? Alright, now here is a very short dialogue between Sam and Bob. Sam, can you play piano? Bob, no, I can't, but I can play guitar. I can play guitar. So here, as you can see, the modal verbs we are concerned with are can and can't, okay? So can't is the negative of can. Now look, Sam is asking about playing piano, okay? Now Bob can't play piano, but he can play guitar, okay? He can play guitar. Do you think that everybody can play piano or play guitar? Do you think everybody can play that? For sure, no. For sure, no. That playing piano or guitar or violin or saxophone or any other kind of instrument requires ability. So this is not something that everybody can do. It requires a certain ability. There are some people who play piano who can play piano or guitar. For example, Bob can play guitar and can't play piano. So here in this episode, we are concerned with this function, ability, modal verbs of ability, okay? All right, so here, as you can see, what the modal verb we use for ability is can or can't, okay? Can or can't, okay? So either we can say can or can't, okay? So can't is for negative, okay? For negative, okay? Bob can play guitar, but he can't play piano, okay? He can't play piano. So this has to do with ability, okay? Ability of playing piano and ability of playing guitar, okay? Of playing guitar, okay? Now look at this picture. As you can see, this is Free and Mark, okay? Now Free is strong, is very strong, as you can see with muscles, okay? But Free is very thin, is very weak, okay? And here we have the barbell, okay? The barbell or weight. This is something that is used in the gym for body and fitness, okay? Now here, do you think Mark has the ability to lift this barbell? For sure not. Why? Because he is weak, okay? He is weak. But Free has the ability because he is strong, okay? He is strong, okay? So Free has the ability, okay? So very simply here we can say that Free can or can't, very simply, can. Why can? Because he is strong. He is strong, as you can see, very strong. So Free can lift this barbell, okay? Lift the barbell, okay? But do you think Mark can lift this barbell? No, because he is weak, okay? Because he is weak. So Mark can or can't, very simply, can't lift the barbell, okay? Can lift the barbell, okay? So Free can. Why? Because he is strong. He has the ability. He is strong. But Mark can't because he is weak. So he doesn't have the ability to lift this barbell or this weight, okay? We can also call it weight, okay? All right, now let's see another short dialogue again between Sam and Bob, okay? Sam, can you swim? Bob, no, I can't, but I could when I was young. So here, what are the modal verbs we are concerned with? Very simply, we have can and we have can't, as well as could, okay? Here we have could. All right, now here Sam is asking about swimming. Do you think everybody can swim? No, there are some who have the ability of swimming, who can swim, and there are some who can't, okay? Who can't. Now Bob can't, okay? But he could when he was young, okay? When he was young. Okay, now this has to do with the past. Okay, in present, Bob can't swim. Okay, can't swim. Okay, but in the past, when he was young, he could. So could is for, very simply, is for the past. Okay, is for the past. Can, can't, can and can't are for present. Okay, are for present. So can is for present. In the past, when he was young, he could. So could is for past. Okay, so very simply, could is the past of can, is the past of can. Okay, so for ability, either we use can or could. Okay, can or could. We can also use able to. So we can say, but I can play guitar, or but I'm able to play guitar. Is verb to be in present. Okay, verb to be in present. Here we can say I could, or verb to be in past is was. So we can say was able to. Okay, was able to. So I could when I was young, or I was able to swim when I was young. I was able to. Okay, so can or could can be replaced by able to. Be able to. Okay, all right. So here is an exercise to complete with can, can't, or could, couldn't. Now you can pause and try to complete this. Okay, and try to complete these sentences. Okay, all right. Okay, now number one, I speak two languages, French and English. Here I am talking about something in the present. Okay, in present, I speak two languages, French and English. Okay, French and English. So speaking more languages requires ability. Okay, requires ability and effort. So I can or can't, I can speak two languages, French and English. Okay, French and English. Okay, now this is for number one. Number two, last week I read two novels. Okay, so last week has to do with the past. So this one is related to the past. So very simply, last week I could read two novels. Okay, I could read two novels, or we can also say last week I couldn't read two novels. If I read only one novel last week, if I read only one, so we can say I couldn't. Okay, now number three, I'm so tired, I do my homework now. Okay, I do my homework now. So here we have I'm so tired. This is in present because here we have the verb to be in present. So I'm talking about a present. I'm so tired in present. I'm so tired. I do my homework now. So this is also related to the present. Okay, so here we are concerned with present because we have now. Okay, so here we need can or can't. Okay, we need can or can't. Now, if you are tired, okay, if you are tired or exhausted, for example, do you think you can do your homework? You can do your homework? No, you can't because you are tired. Okay, because you are tired. So I'm so tired, I can't. Okay, I can't do my homework now. Maybe tomorrow I'll do my homework, but now I can't. Okay, I can't do it. Why? Because I am tired. Okay, I'm tired. I can't do it. Okay, I can't do it. All right. Number four. Last night I read anything because I was sleepy. So here we have last night. So last night has to do with the past. Read anything because I was sleepy. Okay, I was sleepy. Verb to be in the past. Okay. So as long as here we are concerned with the past, what do we need? We need could or couldn't. Okay, so here we need couldn't. Why couldn't read anything last night? Very simply because I was sleepy. If you are sleepy, you can't read anything. Last night I was sleepy, so I couldn't read anything. As I told you before, can or could can be replaced by be able to. For example, here we can say I can speak two languages, French and English, or we can also say I'm able to speak two languages, French and English. Okay, last week I could read two novels, or I was able to, okay, was able to, okay. Now here, I'm so tired, I can't, so negative, I'm not able to, okay, I'm not able to. I couldn't, I wasn't able to, okay, I wasn't able to. So can or could can be replaced by be able to, either in present or in the past, okay, in the past. All right, so this is the first function ability. So I hope you understood this lesson. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to mention that in the comments. Have a good time. See you in another episode, number 3, and goodbye.